Welcome back to my channel नीलू's classroom। आओ कुछ नया सीखें।
Air conditioner. Air conditioner. The buzzing air conditioner keeps you cool. Fan. Fan. The buzzing fan keeps spinning. Fan. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. The tall refrigerator contains foods. Refrigerator. The tall refrigerator contains foods. Desk lamp. Desk lamp. The clicking desk lamp gives out light. Desk lamp. Television. Television. The square television plays cartoons. Television. Washing machine. Washing machine. The revolving washing machine washes clothes. Washing machine. Wonderful! Toot toot! The truck is ready to deliver products! Help me find the refrigerator. The tall refrigerator contains foods. Help me find the desk lamp. The clicking desk lamp gives out light. Which one is the fan? The buzzing fan keeps spinning. What kinds of household appliances are there in the house? Let's piece puzzles! Refrigerator. Television. Air conditioner. Washing machine. Fan. Desk lamp. Wow! So many household appliances! The tall refrigerator contains foods. Which household appliance keeps spinning? The tall refrigerator contains foods. Which household appliance clicks and gives out light? The clicking desk lamp gives out light. Which household appliance is revolving and washing clothes? The revolving washing machine washes clothes. Which household appliance plays cartoons? The revolving washing machine washes clothes. Which household appliance plays cartoons? The square television plays cartoons. Which household appliance keeps you cool? The buzzing air conditioner keeps you cool. Which household appliance keeps spinning? The buzzing fan keeps spinning. Which household appliance keeps you cool? Wonderful! You have learned about a lot of household appliances.